Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off airplane mode in our Huawei P60 Pro phone. We can see airplane mode is here and we have a little icon of an airplane here. To turn it off, we have to swipe from the top of the screen on the right side, and we have our shortcuts here. To turn airplane mode off, we simply need to tap it once, and now it's turned off. Our Wi-Fi is enabled and everything is now as it should be. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.